You see that simple Notion template right there? Last month, it generated more revenue than most course creators make in an entire year, totally on autopilot. Want to know the craziest part? These templates are just one of many types. They are not fancy courses or high-end coaching programs. They are what most people would call boring digital products, but they are absolutely crushing it right now. After diving into this myself, prior to launching my own, I analyzed over 300 six-figure digital product launches from the past year, and I have discovered something fascinating. While everyone else is busy fighting to sell their courses, school memberships, and PDFs, a small group of creators has quietly cracked the code on what I call digital utilities. In the next few minutes, I will reveal the exact 5 types of digital utilities that are set to explode in 2025, including real examples with actual revenue numbers. I will also show you how to spot these opportunities before everyone else catches on. First, you need to understand the massive shift happening right now in the digital product space. Think about a Costco electronics section from just 7 years ago. There were wall-to-wall cameras and professional gear everywhere. Now just phone accessories, computers, and drones at the front. What happened? The product did not die, it evolved. Instead of selling DSLR cameras, companies are making their real money on cloud storage, photo editing apps, and premium filters. Everyone already has an award-winning camera in their pocket. That exact same shift is happening with digital products right now. While everyone else is creating more content that can be replaced with one GPT inquiry, smart creators are building utilities that actually do something for their customers. This is what I call the digital utility value formula. It comes down to the speed of result multiplied by the complexity solved multiplied by time saved. That equals the price you can charge. If you are serious about building profitable digital products in 2025, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Every week, I break down frameworks like this that are working right now. The first type of digital utility is the most reliable moneymaker I have seen: workflow automation systems. There are 3 kinds of automations that are selling like crazy. The first is client management systems, which handle everything from onboarding to final delivery. The second is content production flows, which take hours of content creation and turn it into minutes. And the third is business operations hubs, which unite scattered tools and processes into one seamless system. That is pure passive income. The second type has the highest profit margin I have ever seen in digital products: decision engines. These turn complex decisions into instant answers. Oh wait, they follow what I call the perfect decision engine formula. First, it solves a high-stakes question where making the wrong choice could cost serious time or money. Second, there are multiple variables that make it too complicated to do quickly in your head. Third, it provides a clear output and eliminates guesswork. Fourth, it produces an instant result that might otherwise take hours or days of research. Here is a real-world example that is blowing up right now. A freelance writer created a pricing calculator that analyzes project scope, factors in expertise level, calculates market rates, and generates custom proposals. It is just a spreadsheet, nothing fancy, but it sells for $197 and makes over $16,000 a month in passive income. Why? Because it solves a high-stakes problem instantly. The third type is what I call asset generators. These are absolute gold mines because they create instant value for your customers. The 3 most profitable categories are marketing assets, legal documents, and business templates. A social media manager built a caption generator template. You input your brand voice and key messages, and it creates a month of posts in 5 minutes. Instead of selling a $37 guide on writing captions, they charge $297 for a tool that writes them for you. That is the power of utility over information. The fourth type is my personal favorite: dashboard systems. The key here is not just data, but consolidation. I have a simple dashboard validation checklist. If your idea meets at least 3 of these 4 points, you have a winner. And the dashboard supports, first, scattered data sources. Second, a regular need for insights. Third, time-consuming manual analysis. Fourth, a clear financial impact. A fitness coach built a progress tracking dashboard and charges $247 instead of selling another $47 workout guide. After 1 weekend of work, it brings in $4,700 every month. It is all about clarity and convenience. The fifth type may surprise you: micro apps. These are small, focused tools that solve very specific problems, and you can build them with no coding required. Platforms like Notion, Airtable, Google Sheets, Make.com, or even no-code AI builders like Boltnew and Replit make it easy. The hottest micro app categories right now are resource planners, automation tools, analytics systems, portals, and AI-powered tools and services. And John, people pay between $27 and $197 a month for these because they provide immediate utility. So why is now the perfect moment to jump in? While everyone else is competing with AI by pumping out more information products, digital utilities are becoming more valuable every day. Your next steps are simple. Pick your utility type from these 5. Use the validation frameworks. Build with simple no-code tools, and then launch. Let the marketplace tell you what they want added when they buy. Listen, improve, and scale. In part 2 of this series, I will show you my step-by-step system for creating your first digital utility. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and download the free digital utility framework below to get started.